Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily remove the weather icon here, aligning your taskbar. Okay? So if I'm going to open this weather and go to the settings, here if I check my personalized, I don't have any feed that I've added. And might as well here in the notification the show notification badges on the taskbar is actually off and might as well here in show announcements on the taskbar. Okay? And if I'll go back again to my settings, I don't have actually anything or any news that I've disabled and might as well here in the open widgets board and hover it is also off. So this time I'm gonna teach you how to easily remove this, okay? First is you need to do a right click here in your taskbar and then go to taskbar settings. And once you open your settings, let us wait for a while first. Okay. So once you open your settings, as you can see here, taskbar items, and under that is search, task view, and widgets. You could just have to simply turn this off. And now see the magic. The weather or the widgets, which contains the weather and news, is actually gone here in your taskbar. Isn't just that great, right? Okay. So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.